Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about how to configure your custom sensors on FlexLogger. So right now, I'm on the channel specifications tab, and I've already configured all the channels that I have on my CDAC chassis, but I have a light sensor that isn't a normal light sensor that CDAC is normally used to, so I want to calibrate that on FlexLogger. So I've have it in my 9204 module, so I'm going to go ahead and click the gear icon to configure it. And one of the ways to calibrate this signal is 2-point scaling. So I'll be going to the scaling portion and change it from linear to 2-point. We can also do different forms of scaling as well, depending on what sensor you have and what capability you want it to do. So I'm going to go ahead and click 2-point. And for this example, I want it from 0 to 10 volts. And so the first physical measurement should be when there's 0 lumens to 10 lumens. And since I'm also using this light sensor and shining my phone flashlight on it, I want my phone flashlight to be the 10 lumens measurement and it being covered as a 0 lumen. So right now it's being exposed to light, so it is still at like 0.17 volts, but I'll just be covering that with one of my hands. And now it's around 0.0, and I'm just going to go ahead and click the X icon. And now we've specified the electrical measurement of 0 lumens. Now for the 10 lumens, I'm going to go ahead and shine my phone flashlight directly on the light sensor, and we get a higher voltage reading right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and click X. And so now we've gotten the highest possible reading. And just to see if this worked, I'm just going to be waving my hand over. And we can see that the light sensor reading has been it jumps around. And that's because of the calibration we just did. And even when I shine my phone flashlight again, we can see that it gets to basically 10 lumens, which is what we wanted it to do. So now I'm going to go ahead and click done. And yeah, so in this video, we were able to configure our custom light sensor, and we can apply this principle to any other sensors that you may be using and do a variety of different scaling and calibration on those sensors. Thanks for watching.